Ever wondered what it would be like to break free from the constraints of the traditional systems that control our lives, like financial institutions, healthcare, or even energy providers? If you're tired of living within the system and crave independence, this video is for you. Today, we're revealing the secrets to building your very own off-grid empire and what happens if you don't act now. From self-sufficiency to total independence, we'll show you the 15 essential steps to take control of your life. Make sure to stick around until the end for a special bonus tip that might just push you to start your off-grid journey today. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. 1. Build your off-grid nest egg. The key to going off-grid is having the capital to invest in your new life. Think of it like saving up for a home or retirement, except this time you're freeing yourself from a lifetime of bills. Start by cutting expenses and working as much as possible. You'll need between $100K and $300K to get started, but the freedom it brings is worth it. Sacrifice now to enjoy a self-sufficient future. 2. Learn first aid and natural remedies. You can't rely on quick doctor visits when living remotely. Learn basic first aid and stock up on essential medications. For minor issues, natural remedies can be a lifesaver. It's about reducing dependency on healthcare systems while still having access to telehealth services when necessary. Think of it as your first step toward health independence. 3. Research the right land, like your life depends on it. Not all land is equal when it comes to going off-grid. From flooding risks to abandoned mines, thoroughly research before purchasing. Spend time on the land, camp there, and observe how it changes through the seasons. This decision is key to a sustainable off-grid lifestyle, so don't rush it. 4. Create an independent income source. You may live off-grid, but you'll still need money. Whether through a remote business, selling farm products, or freelancing online, having a reliable income ensures you maintain financial independence. Satellite internet means you can even work from remote areas. 5. Stay secure and independent with the right tools. Off-grid living doesn't mean going tech-free. Safety, weather forecasts, and financial management still require technology. Tools like VPNs keep your digital footprint private while allowing you to stay connected for emergencies. You can balance self-sufficiency and modern-day needs. 6. DIY your property to build equity. Building your own off-grid home saves money and increases property value. Skip the contractors and learn how to build from the ground up. By DIYing, not only do you gain valuable skills, but you also create a home that's truly your own, debt-free. 7. Stay connected, even remotely. Even in the most remote locations, you'll want internet access for emergencies and staying informed. Systems like Starlink make it possible to remain connected while maintaining your off-grid lifestyle. It's the perfect blend of independence and connectivity. 8. Generate your own power and heat. Say goodbye to traditional utilities. With solar panels, wind turbines, or hydropower systems, you can power your home and even store energy for cloudy days. For heating, cut your own firewood or use a wood stove. It's all about sustainability and self-sufficiency. 9. Source your own water. You'll need to collect and purify your water. Rainwater harvesting systems and wells provide a reliable supply. Setting up a filtration system ensures your water is safe to drink. The independence of managing your own water is incredibly empowering. 10. Grow your own food. Going back to basics, grow your food and raise livestock to sustain your household. From chickens for eggs to goats for milk, agriculture is key to off-grid living. Self-sustaining food systems take time, but eventually eliminate grocery bills. 11. Embrace hunter-gatherer skills. Hunting, fishing and foraging add variety and nutrition to your diet. Learn to identify wild plants, berries, and mushrooms while honing your hunting skills. It's the ultimate return to nature and a reminder of how our ancestors thrived. 12. Upgrade your survival skills. Life off-grid requires survival skills. Growing crops, building fires, and navigating nature. Learn from your mistakes and adapt to your new environment. It's challenging, but each success is a step toward mastering your new lifestyle. 13. Create alternatives to traditional banking. Banks are part of the system you're leaving behind. With cryptocurrency and other decentralized financial systems, you can manage your money without a traditional bank account. Financial independence isn't just about survival, it's about staying outside the system. 14. Live between two worlds. Transitioning off-grid isn't immediate. You'll balance your old life and your new off-grid plans for years. Embrace this duality, it's part of the process. Keep your eye on the prize and don't rush the transition. 15. Learn to love. Getting your hands dirty, from fixing your roof to collecting eggs, off-grid life means hands-on work. Embrace the dirt, the muck, and the hands-on nature of maintaining your homestead. The satisfaction that comes from solving problems with your own two hands is unparalleled. Bonus: get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Off-grid living means letting go of modern comforts. Whether it's cold showers or cooking in the dark, you need to mentally and physically prepare for discomfort. The more you embrace these challenges, the easier your transition will be. If this journey to independence excites you, keep watching our previous videos where we delve deeper into financial freedom, off-grid hacks, and the surprises awaiting those who choose this path. Don't forget to click the link in the description to join us on this adventure and subscribe to never miss an update on how to live life on your own terms.